Okay, so we got front 180, switch tail press, switch back 180 out. I can't tell if I tapped or not, so let's watch the video review. Once again, I've never done that, ever. Backlip is when you approach the rail with your heels to the rail. As expected, Benton's crushing it, so he just nailed that trick. So let's see if I get it. That was one of the hardest tricks on the list too, dude.
Dude, that was so...
Let's go.
Dude, you go like, your eyes are just like...
I couldn't even imagine, dude. What's up, Team Buckhouse? So today we're gonna do something so different. We are gonna do the TransWorld Trendy Tricks Basics to Bangers. This is gonna be a challenge. So I've had this book for literally like 10 years or something. I got it a long time ago, back when I could do any of the tricks in this book, and I was like, it'd be sick to one day be able to do this. Well, guess what? I feel like we can get them all between me and, of course, our boy Benton. Now there's some heavy tricks in here, and then there's some like pretty basic ones. So we're just gonna start going through the list. Both of us are gonna try most of them, but the whole goal is to get all of them. Between the two of us, if we can get all of the tricks in this book. So enough talking, let's start with the first trick. By the way, there's also like a ton of sick pros here, like Seb, Torstein, Louis Vito, Iki, like all of them, dude, they're all in here. Okay, so the first trick is just a nose blunt. Let's go. Oh, we are gonna try and do it on similar features. I know that they don't have a pill here at Copper, so we'll just do it on a rail, but we will try to get as close to the feature as possible, like the hips and stuff. So let's knock this book out. All right, so I got it for me. Now let's get Benton to do it. I took Ben 2 attempts, but he got it. All right, next trick. Let's see what it is. Okay, so we got front 180, switch tail press, switch back 180 out. Now there isn't that feature to do it like right here. So we got to go to Peace Park. There's tubes over there.
I want to do it,
but the hip is here. And this one, Ben thinks this one sounds crazy. I don't think it sounds that bad. Switch backside air on a hip. So we have a hip coming up. So let's go to the switch backside air real quick, and then we'll go back. I've literally never tried this before, and that's the whole point of this trick challenge, is to try a bunch of tricks we've never tried before. How was it, Ben?
Like 2 feet out.
2 feet? We'll try to do it bigger, but that was it. That was it. I did the Indy. Yeah. So we do have a quarter pipe coming up, and there's a quarter pipe trick in this book. The front alley-oop. Coming on your heel side edge.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do a front alley-oop on this quarter pipe. I've never done this trick either. So you go in on your heel side edge, you pop up, you do basically a backside 180 in the air, and you land. Okay, so I did it. It was miniature. We'll try and maybe get it bigger, but the whole point is, once again, I've never done that, ever. And so it's cool to kind of push yourself and to try new things. And so Benton wants to try the, what was it? Front side 180.
Front side 180,
switch tail press, back one out.
Back one out.
No tail press.
No tail press.
Try to get on this one. Yeah, you tapped.
Oh! I think you landed regular, or switch.
Yeah, I kind of like pivoted the 180 out, so I'll have to try it again. That one's hard. So that's the end of the run, so we gotta go back up to the top. So, all right, so the next rail trick is a back lip. Back lip is when you approach the rail with your heels to the rail. You pull your tail over it and you do a front board down the rail. And then our boy Griffin volunteered to help us film this video, so me and Ben can get equal attempts at the teacher. Neither of us got that. Let's try it again. Alright, Ben got it. I gotta keep trying it. But we got that hip. We'll do the switch air again. I think we can call that one. That was good. So then we gotta do the alley-oop on the corner again. Alright, so we've knocked off a decent amount on the list so far. There's 20 tricks. I'm already lost count of where we're at, but we'll keep pulling out the book and keep looking at it. So in this section, we either gotta do the back lip or the 180 in, tail press, back 180 out. So let's focus on the 180 in, tail press, back 180 out. As expected, Benton's crushing it, so he just nailed that trick. So let's see if I get it. I did the 180 out, but I tapped, so we gotta try it again. I got the back lip right there on a mellow rail. But all right, here we go. I'm gonna try and get right. I can't tell if I tapped or not, so let's watch the video review. After video review, I definitely tapped. So obviously I'll keep attempting that trick. Benton got it. The next rail trick that we're gonna work on too though is backside 270 on. I've never attempted this. It's heavy. So basically you approach the rail on your toes, you spin backside, so your back is going towards the rail. You're doing basically almost a backside 360 onto it and through the whole thing. Heavy. All right, let's get to the top. Before we throw the backside 270, we want to mention today's sticker shout out. We got That Just Happened with the Fire Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, man. As well as B Kiggin 65 with the fire sticker as well, guys. Thank you so much for snagging that Fire Evolution sticker. Guys, we have like fire ones, electric ones, red, blue, green, any color you can think. We have so many cool patterns for the Evolution sticker, and they're all linked in the description, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. Snagging merch supports the dream, allows me to make this content for a living. So subscribe to the channel, snag some merch, tag me on my Instagram for gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. You know where we're riding each day, as well as all of the extra bonus content if you're following my Instagram. All right, enough of the plug. Let's go hawk this super scary trick. And this trick list thing is fun. It's pushing us. I've already learned 2 new tricks today, so let's go. Oh yeah, disclaimer, we're learning a lot of these tricks. So obviously when you learn a trick, you do it on a feature that you can learn it on. So some might not be the biggest rail ever, or like exactly what the pros hit when they made this list, but it's because we're learning it. This is how you learn it, and then hopefully you take it bigger. Oh. No! Yeah, we both did the same thing, but we'll get it. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now we have a front side air and a half pipe or a quarter pipe. We're gonna do on this quarter pipe. Front side air is on your toes. Basically like that. All right, we got the front side air out of the way. Now we gotta still do the backside 270. We're knocking some of these tricks off this list though. Oh! I think we can count that one for Benton. That was sick. Dude, these are hard tricks. You don't think it counts?
I think my tail was dragging on the snow.
All right, we'll try it again up top. Dude, Ben's getting it. He like, it was a little soggy, but like, that's such a hard trick. Good job, Benton. All right, we're gonna go to the jumps now. All right, so for the first jump trick we're gonna do, it's gonna be a backside 540 stalefish. We got that. That one was easy for us. We got another easy trick, just a backside 180 tail grab. So Benton just did one of the tricks on the list, which is a frontside wall ride. Even though that's like not really a wall ride, we're gonna count it. They don't have a wall ride here, so Benton just made that one up. Good job, Ben. All right, Benton's was super good. Mine was super sketchy, and we're moving on from that trick because I did it super sketchy. Benton did it clean. All right, let's check out the list, see what our count is. All right, so I just looked. We have done 10 of the 20 tricks. We have 10 more to do. So here we go, Benton. You ready? Yeah. That was a lot of work.
Yeah. So the crippler?
Yeah, you got to do crippler. So there are some I'm opting out of. The half pipe ones, like the gnarly ones. We got Benton, guys. This is why I hang out with this kid. So I can make these videos, and he does all the tricks. So we got a mini pipe up here. Benton's gonna knock out 2 of the pipe tricks this run he's trying. So he's got a crippler, which we know he has on lock, but then a trick he's never tried before. Which one was it again?
Alley-oop back rodeo off the toe side wall.
Ooh, here we go.
Never tried in my life. Oh, first time ever trying that.
I'm sure if it's like your first hit, you might get it.
Dude, that was so scary.
All right, another trick on the list is front side 360 off a cannon. We have a cannon here. Here we go. All right, I almost killed Griffin on my 360, but we're good. I gotta get my redemption on that backside 180 tail grab. All right, so the next, so it's actually in the magazine, it's done on a box. So it's backside 180 on, switch 50-50, half cab out.
Also,
so we're gonna try it on this box over here.
Box.
Also, the 180 and switch nose press is also done on a box. Probably rebate that one because those are kind of sketchy, but we did do them. So the last jump trick we're absolutely dreading because not even Benton has this trick, and that is a cab 720. So switch front side 720.
We're scared.
Oh, we're super scared. And we're trying on this media, like tiny, kind of small jump, but all right, I'll go first. Now, that was close. It was too reverty. And I threw a 5. He threw a 9, basically. So, let's do it again. That came out of nowhere. Oh, let's go! Let's go, dude! That's it. So heavy. That's one of the hardest tricks on the list, too, dude.
Dude, that was so.
Let's go.
Dude, you go like your eyes are just like.
I couldn't even imagine, dude. All right, so we got a backside 540, which is truly a backside 360 on this hip.
Oh.
I bet washed out on that one, but I got it. The cool thing is, like, I've never done that trick. I never attempted it, never even thought about trying it, and that's why we're doing this list today. Learn new tricks, like, why not? Okay, so there is another trick on the list that I'm not gonna even attempt, and it's because I don't have the proper progression. That's a switch backside 720, so I don't have switch backside 360. I mean, I kind of got them, but I can like cab 5. That's why I'm fine trying a cab 7, but a switch backside 720, like, I'm not even close to that, but he is.
I got you.
Alright, so the backside 720 is out of the way.
Switch.
Switch. I just did a cab 5, so warming up for that 720. It's so scary.
What do you think about that?
That was clean.
And then, so we have one last rail feature trick, whatever, and that's a 180 in nose press.
Switch nose press.
Switch nose press, and then out switch. So here we go.
So we got 2 boxes to try it on.
Yep, 2 boxes. It's so tricky because that's an urban on one. It's almost like a, you could clip going into it. It's gnarly. Not an excuse, but I'm just saying, if I had my noodly, like, not camber snowboard, I would have got it then. I think I did it. We gotta check the video. Now, I'm gonna count a scrape, guys, because I'm gonna count a scrape. But did I just do it? We gotta watch the video. All right, it was a pretty big scrape. We'll hug it again. Ben says hug it again, but it's there. Cab 7.
Cab 7.
I wasn't even thinking about that trick at the beginning of this season. I wasn't thinking about this trick until yesterday when we decided to make this video.
I wasn't thinking about
All right,
the next trick.
back to the top. Here we go. We're almost done. How many tricks left? 3?
1.
Oh,
2.
we have to do this.
No.
The nose press.
The nose press.
Rodeo off the rail.
Cab 7.
Cab
So
7.
technically 3.
We're almost done. 3 left.
Oh.
He clicked the end coming out. We're gonna count that. I think I got it on the. I don't know. I'll have to look when we edit. Benson got it though, because I saw it. All right, cab 7. We're gonna go after this jump. We're gonna go to the right. Ben did the same revert thing I did.
Oh. I gotta get the back 5 on the hip.
Yeah, back 5. Good. What's up, dude?
What's up?
What's your name?
Rom.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Awesome.
How's your day? Ching, knock it off the list. I have a feeling we're gonna get these cab 7s right now.
Oh.
Oh! We both did it.
I never want to do that trick again.
What? Cab 7. Cab 7. Switch Frontside 7, let's go.
I'm much
You
more
just
of
did a cab 7. Are you going to Disney World?
I'd go to Disney World. Sounds fun.
That
All right.
is so scary.
All right, so we have a
It looked clean.
pull out the list. Here we go. All right, guys, so there's 2 more tricks left on the list. And sadly, your boy's just not at that level. Obviously, I want to be there, but I don't even have rodeo 540s yet. So to rodeo 540 off a pole jam is just not, it's just not going to happen for me. But for this guy,
This is a joke. The pole jam here is not a pole jam. It's just like a casual up rail.
Yeah.
It's not a...
yeah. And then also the last trick too is this wall ride. And I would try this on the wall ride if they had one like this, but they don't. So the only similar wall ride is the creeper that Benton likes to wall ride. And so we're gonna leave that to Benton as well.
Dude, if I come down and clip the creeper...
Oh my goodness. That's why I don't want to try it. That's why I would try it on a normal wall ride, but they don't have one here. That being said, I did a cab 720 before I did a frontside 720. All right, so Benton, you ready to go stomp these last 2 tricks?
Yep. Nope. Yep.
Yeah, the
Nope.
2 bangers. Rodeo off the pole jam was the hardest. All right, back to the top. Oh, first try. Heavy.
Dude, that was so scary.
Yeah, dude, I can't believe you did that. All right, we just gotta get the rodeo off the cannon now. Caught his heel edge last time. He just basically did a backflip off of it. We're almost done with this list. Here we go. All right, Ben jacked his wrist up the last attempt, so he's gonna throw it one more time, whether he gets it or not. This is it. Chipmunk on the trick. So this will determine if we completed the list or if we didn't. He's an animal. You alive?
You know what sucks?
You slipped off?
I want to try it again.
Yeah, he slipped.
Oh, my wrist is in so much pain.
It's all good. We can let this one lie because we know you can do it. It's not the right rail is the issue. Yeah, so you guys comment down below. Did we or did we not complete the list? I don't know. It's super sick that we even tried it. The whole point of this was to come out and give it your best shot. I'm like literally talking and Benton's in pain. So let me, give me a second. All right, he looks more alive. So whole point of this was to come out and try new tricks, even though we didn't get them the cleanest or the sickest, or definitely not as close as the way the pros got them, but those are the pros. We came out, we tried new stuff, and that's all we wanted to do today. So I'm super hyped on today. So if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Let me know, should we try this again by smashing like? If we get like 1,000 likes on this video, maybe we'll do, this is volume 4. So there's a volume 1, 2, 3. I don't know if there's any more after 4, but we won't have the book. We can find it all online. But once again, I had that list since I moved up here first year. So it was really cool to like knock out. I couldn't do any of those tricks when I first got that book. And to be able to at least attempt most of them, get some of them, was so sick to me. So I'm super duper hyped. And if you're new to this channel and you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button. We do normally do like a vlog style video, but I thought this was cool. I thought this was different. I want to make fun, new content for you guys all the time. So let me know the comments and the liking, guys. That's the best way to get feedback on if you liked this style of video and if we should do more. Also, if you guys think you can do all these tricks, do them and send them to me, or at least any of them. Send them to me on my Instagram. I'd love to see you guys attempting these tricks. All right, we're gonna end it here though. So big shout out to Benton. Also, go subscribe to his YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram. He's almost done for the season with me. I'm gonna keep snowboarding all through the summer, but give Ben some love. He broke his wrist for you guys. Hopefully not broke his wrist, but
We'll find out.
we'll find out. And just, I don't make Benton do anything. Benton does everything on his own because he's crazy.
It's true.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Oh, hey, my trick! My trick! Oh!